Hi guys, most welcome to another tutorials and welcome to my YouTube channels. Today I discuss with you is a new topics Photoshop color channels. The level controls number of brightness levels each of Photoshop three color channels red, green and blue. If the switch from the layers panels and to the channel panels we see the red, green and blue channels all mixing together to create colors we see in the images with the levels at the C to 4 we are limiting and the images of just shadows of red, 4 shadows of green and 4 shadows of blue for the tutorials and total of 64 possible colors. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.